I want to do a toolbox tour of my 72-inch Harbor Freight toolbox. Also have the side cabinet for the 44 on there. Gonna be upgrading this in the next couple weeks to a snap-on box. I'll leave that as a surprise until that shows up. All my sockets, well, most of my tools are all Craftsman. A bunch of Napa stuff since I worked at Napa for a couple years. Got a bunch of stuff for super good deal. And then I've got Harbor Freight stuff. And I'm slowly getting Snap-on stuff. It's expensive, but I do really like the quality of the Snap-on stuff. I've been changing all my ratchets out to Snap-on. I got half, 3/8, and quarter in the long handles. Now I just need to get everything in short. Bought the Snap-on screwdrivers a little bit ago. Love them. Pry bar set. Got that on sale. I got the big bar. That one's 36 inch. I know it's not the biggest, but it's pretty beefy. That was on sale. Napa Torx. Knipex, Snap-on, Craftsman, Channel Lock, Napa, Channel Lock, GB, Craftsman. Most of my wrenches are all gear wrench. I have some Napa, Tecton, Harbor Freight. Like I said, this is just my standard wrench drawer. Basically same in metric. I kind of went on a little splurge at Harbor Freight today. Been looking online and watching YouTube videos lately, and they've shown some good stuff. That's a tap and die set that's 60 pieces, has almost a 5-star rating, and it's got 180 reviews, and it's 36 bucks. So I figured, why not? Harbor Freight on the 3/4 drive. Napa Impact, DeWalt, KD Tools, Napa Torque Wrench, Napa Breaker Bar, Napa Long Screwdrivers, Napa Pickle Fork, Napa Ball Joint. Got these today at Harbor Freight. It's their snap ring plier set. It's definitely cheap, so if you don't want a cheap set, I would avoid that one. It's only 35 bucks, so I figured I'd just hang on to it. Brake bleeder, more torque wrenches, T-handle Allen's metric standard. Snap-on light, Snap-on blowgun, Napa digital caliper, OBD 2 reader from Mac, got that for 20 bucks. Craftsman, Napa mirror that's got a light in it, it's kind of cool. Hammer drawer, Harbor Freight, Snap-on, Harbor Freight, Napa stuff, another Harbor Freight ball peen. Everything in there from Napa, including the Irwin brand vice grips, seal puller. God, I'm just drawing a blank tonight. Pitman arm puller, tie rod puller, KD tools, scrapers. hose cutter from Napa. Bought this today as well. It's a O2 sensor socket set from Harbor Freight. Has a ton of sockets in there. Punch set, bought that today. Circuit tester, got that. OTC, that was also from Napa. Napa, got these as Christmas present tin snips. They're pretty nice. Craftsman. Vice grips. Long handle. Pliers, got those. Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight. Napa stuff. Compression tester Napa. This one is Dremel. I got catalogs and stuff in there. The TV for the antenna. A book for my Cummins. I've got Snap-on pick set, Napa punches, Napa easy outs, Craftsman, just an assortment of Allens, welding stuff. These I just don't have a spot for at the moment, so they're just hanging out in there. Paperwork, receipts. Got all my Adams polishes stuff. Gotta lock it up, otherwise my dad will use it all. Parts for the truck, just some random stuff that I had or bought right before I left Napa. Cut off wheels, easy outs. What else we got? We got some taps, brake parts, brake tool parts, drill bits, pliers, quick disconnects, electrical drawer, butt connectors, heat shrink, more pliers, more electrical stuff, zip ties, heat shrink, Napa nut driver sets, cutoff wheel, drill, fender cover, gloves, lights, gauge I got for free. I also have a tool cart that I'm trying to get put together so that if I need to just do something quick, I can. It's just got, you know, random stuff in it. I kind of keep piling everything that I don't want in the big box over here. Eventually I'm going to get this set up so that I can do that, or if someone comes over and they're working on something, you know, we're not fighting over the same tool. All this is mostly just junk. I just need to clean it out and set it up to use it so I can work on stuff. So that's it. Like I said, I'll be getting a Snap-on box here soon. I'll do an unboxing video of that. And then I'll shoot a little video of moving or getting everything moved in. I'll do another little tour of once everything's moved over to it. So hope you like it. You know, if you got any questions, just shoot me a comment. If you're wondering, you know, to buy Harbor Freight stuff, it's not bad for the price. I just want a Snap-on box. I'm young. I want something that'll last me a really long time. So, and yeah, it's the only bill I have at the moment. So I'm gonna buy a Snap-on box and pay it off real fast, and that way I have a nice toolbox that'll last me for a long while. My Snap-on guy is taking this, the side cabinet, and the roll cart. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy a new roll cart in the future and paint it. Maybe paint it to match the box. So we'll see, but you know, like I said, if you're wondering to buy one of these, you know, if they're decent enough, I think they're pretty good. The only thing that annoys me is out of the big drawers, you only have the little drawer unlock all the way over here to unlock that big drawer. But what's nice is it is locked, so if you're just moving it around, your drawers aren't going to open on you, and you can lock them. So, thanks.